for the wardrobe, it's a massive undertaking. It's beginning to come to fruition, and you start seeing all the things that you've looked at and worked on for months in one dimension becoming three-dimensional, and that's very exciting.
You have 143 designs in the show. There are 282 characters on stage in one show. There's 45 mortals. Those are people that look like recognizable, everyday people. And then the rest of them are all fantasy characters, and that includes rats and lambs, and just the list goes on and on and on. So it's an amazing, eclectic mix of fantasy with the stability of the mortals there in the beginning and at the end.